Our dinner is ready. This is chicken potatoes biryani with raita, with the slices or cubes of tomatoes and onions. And this is plain yogurt. Alhamdulillah for our foods for today. My today's recipe is chicken biryani. So I saute already this onions, then I put already this minced garlic. So we fry together this one. And this is chicken. I think this is 2 kilogram one chicken. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now this tomatoes. Ayan, daming tomatoes. Mga ano ito, 5 medium size na ano tomatoes, and then minced ginger and 3 teaspoon of salt. So we put now this one. And then this one I have to use masala, Bombay biryani masala. This is good quality of masala, biryani masala. Shan. So ito ilagay ko ito lahat, itong ano, ito yung ano sa loob. Ilagay ko ito kasi 1.5 kilogram ang aking lulutuin na biryani, and then 1 chicken. This is 2 kilogram. So this is for our dinner and also for tomorrow lunch. Ayan. Ilagay natin ito lahat, 1 packet. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can add also potatoes. This is optional. If you want to put potatoes, then you can, but it's more tasty if you add to potatoes. So this is 4 medium sizes slices of potatoes. And now you can put now also this one chicken, one by one you put this chicken. Bismillah. Ilagay natin ito lahat, itong 1 chicken na 2 kilograms. Still not cook this one, must be half cooked. And then I will cook now rice. Then rice must be separate in another casserole or caldero. And then rice must be half cooked. Then we can put now this one, layer by layer. This chicken, potatoes, biryani. Cooking chicken, potatoes, biryani. So this is masala for biryani, and now I have to cook now rice in separate casserole or caldero. This basmati rice I cook there outside in firewood. So I keep already here rice. Now we have to make layer this one, this chicken potato masala, like that. And then we have to put rice again there for second layer. Like that, put like that. And then put chicken again, chicken potato masala. And then again, third layer. If I cook all here in stove rice, then it's too much gasol I spend. So this is 3 layers of chicken, potatoes, biryani. And then we have to cover now this one. Ano yung nahulog. And then I keep also little for my husband. He will eat this one with chapati. Ayan. Isang chicken, tapos konting gravy at saka dalawang slices na potatoes. So, cook this one in slow fire. Ayan. Para maano maluto o kaya mahain siya.